So guys, you can see I got some S240 boom cords. These are the ones that run your eyes on the laser screed. Last week we were pouring and the eye on this side, that one up there, it wouldn't read. Kept going, the eye would work, but it wouldn't stay in the green. It wouldn't go down to the green. It kept flickering, and it wouldn't, the head would end up running down into the ground and all that. So pretty much tomorrow I'm going to get up, or I'm gonna unload it. I just went and got it off the job today. But it's pretty much this cord right here. This is the one it hooks to. See, it runs to here and then it connects to there and it goes down. It actually runs over and you connect it. It connects to this box. And that box is just like a junction box, and it jumps from there and comes up to here. Because you hook this, your main wire hooks in here, and then your wire that goes up to your eye hooks in here. You just unscrew this cap. We put caps on them to keep water out of them. Then you hook your little springy cord up and put your eye up here. But anyway, tomorrow I'm probably going to change these out. There's one here. It runs all the way down your boom, and then there's another one on this side that runs the eye, which would be that eye up there. I got the head turned on it. But where these go is, I'll get in there and I'll show you where they hook up at. We got a set of emergency cables that we hooked up to get us through to the pour. If you look at your steps and unhook and open this door right here, you can see all your wires hooked up right here. Let me get up here real quick. And you can see I've got one unhooked right here. That's actually the one that goes to that eye over. I've got it unhooked. We got one of them spongy or springy looking cords. As you've probably seen in my last video, it run out on the eye, but it hooks up here. And I'm saying the other side, probably this one here. So I'll be changing these out tomorrow. If you, be something if you might wanna check out, if you have any problems out of them. Like I was saying, the eye would work, it would light up, and it would still come on, but it wouldn't pick up the laser. It would just run down and hit the ground. Your auger would be digging in the dirt, so. But yeah, that's something I'll be checking or working on tomorrow. So if that's something you might be interested in, just check out my channel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can keep up more of my videos.